Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Accord front bumper. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by locating and removing the plastic clips and screws that attach the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. There are usually about 3 to 5 clips per side. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Next, move to the underside of the vehicle. You'll find several clips and screws holding the bottom edge of the bumper to the underbody splash shield. Remove all of these fasteners. Then, open the hood and look along the top edge of the bumper, near the grille. There are typically 4 to 6 clips or screws here that need to be removed to free the top section. Double-check that no fasteners are missed. With all the clips and screws removed, you can now gently pull the sides of the bumper away from the fenders. It should release with a slight tug. Be mindful of any electrical connections for fog lights or sensors. Carefully disconnect these harnesses by pressing the release tabs. Once all connections are free, the bumper will be ready to come off. Have a clean, soft surface like a blanket ready to set the bumper on to prevent scratches. To reinstall your front bumper, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Carefully align the bumper, reconnect all electrical harnesses, and then secure all the clips and screws. Make sure everything is snug and properly seated for a secure fit. It's a straightforward process, but patience is key. For more great tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to look for the link in the description below, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.